For over 30 years, we at Bauku have been one of the top names in the manufacture of plastic pipe systems. For sewer technology, landfill technology, and apparatus technology. This film introduces our sewer technology products, looking at 2 sewer line projects and 2 storage tanks. Most customers' first experience of plastic pipe systems is when the plastic pipes and building components are delivered to the building site. Bauku has been marketing these products since the early 60s under the trade name Profilane with growing success. Ushu, our company mascot, symbolizes our commitment to the environment and to an active policy of environmental protection. We manufacture our profile pipes in accordance with DIN 16961 within a nominal inner diameter range of 300 to 3,500 millimeters. Depending on the nominal diameter and the size of the order, the pipes are either delivered loosely stacked on trucks, in other words in the conventional way, or, as you can see here, in Bauku pallets. This makes transport and storage much easier. Profilane sewer pipes can be supplied either with plug-in connections and rubber seals or as pipes with welding connections. Either way, the lightweight design makes the sections of pipe much easier to handle. Welded seams are second to none in quality and are also the most suitable way of connecting plastic pipes. All of the welding is done by our own qualified welders and is all just part of the service. In addition, our technicians also advise the construction workers on site on our products and on how to handle them. This, of course, also goes for deliveries of Bauku pipes with plug-in connections. This ensures that our responsibility for the project does not stop when we deliver the products. We join forces with our building associates to safeguard the long-term quality of the entire construction project. We can demonstrate how we work and how our products are used on the site by taking a look at the building of the Hennef Hanfbachtal collecting main. We became involved in this project in summer 1995 by supplying and laying 500 mm diameter pipes. It goes without saying that proven top-quality material like Profilane sewer pipes need to be laid with great care and be properly embedded. The guidelines for this are defined by DIN 4033 and serve as a basis for calculating our pipe statics, either applying technical Sewage Society regulations or the finite element method. Particular significance is attached to the quality of the pipe support. Despite the very latest technology, this task still demands manual skills. Bauku products are proof that lightweight designs and large 6-meter-long components do not mean that stability is compromised. Our sections of pipe are deliberately built to be sturdy enough to withstand knocks in the rough conditions which exist on work sites. For example, the rubber sealing ring on the plug-in connection is fixed in place inside the socket end, shielding it effectively from knocks or other types of damage. But what happens if one of our pipes takes a very heavy knock and is damaged? No problem. Bauku's PE-HD products can be welded. We keep our assembly site vehicles constantly equipped with all that's necessary to ensure that our trained staff can carry out any repairs required on the spot. A detailed look at the procedure. The damaged area is cleaned thoroughly, first of all. The material is then heated up to 220 degrees Celsius. The extruded material is finally drawn from the extrusion welder and pressed onto the damaged area. Let's now return to the laying of the pipe. Since designs like these come with a plug-in connection, the sealing ring in the socket end is pulled out and cleaned thoroughly. The fitter then smears a sliding agent onto the rubber ring. The pipes can generally either be moved by hand or using a lightweight machine. They clearly have the edge over conventional materials in terms of time and money. We would advise you to use ropes and harnesses for hoisting the pipes. They may be damaged by wires, chains, or other hard, sharp-edged materials. Sliding agent is now also applied to the spigot end of the pipe, as has already previously been done with the socket end sealing ring. Once again, the advantage of having a low-weight design pays off. The pipe is easy to guide by hand, and no bother to slide together. This technique makes awkward and very involved handling a thing of the past. The lightweight design of the pipes also makes leveling with a laser appliance child's play. Concrete shafts were used in Hennef, which were fitted with our wall bonding supports. This demonstrates that bauku pipe systems can be connected up to other materials at any time without any difficulty. The profiling of our sewer pipes does not just make for a high degree of ring stiffness, it also causes the pipe to dig into the soil. As a result, we're not afraid that our pipes may expand due to fluctuations in temperature or that they might become dislodged. Buoyancy caused by groundwater is also prevented by the profiles. The embedding material is inserted and compacted layer by layer. We manufacture our products within an interior diameter range of between 300 millimeters and 3,500 millimeters. Whichever diameter and profile you choose, you can always be sure about your advantages. Low in weight, with large overall lengths of 6 meters, saving time and money. Sturdy design. Looking at example number 2, we'll demonstrate the laying of a 2-meter wide bauku profilane sewer pipeline in Cologne, complete with all of the manholes and preforms. The tangential shaft developed by bauku is a compact, cost-effective alternative to a normal shaft structure. Our fitters are working on site here, welding the pipes together. Our structures are also built to cope with rugged building site work. Polyethylene is particularly resistant to impact stress. Example number 3 shows the stormwater retention tank in Niederöflingen. The reservoir chamber, developed and patented by bauku, holds a capacity of 235 cubic meters here and has a nominal pipeline diameter of 2,600 millimeters. A system bauku underground stormwater retention tank generally comprises a drainage structure, also called a swelling pot, marked 2 here, and an inspection chamber and pump shaft, marked 4 here. The end structure on this side, the swelling pot mentioned above, should soon be put into use. The pipe and subsoil are being prepared to take the structure. The swelling pot, also called the drainage shaft, comes as a complete structure, ready for installation. It's 3 meters in diameter and 3.5 meters in height. Nevertheless, it's still extremely lightweight, weighing about 4 tons. A comparable structure made from concrete would weigh about 40 tons. It's quick and easy to work with by virtue of its low weight and compact dimensions. It takes just on 2 hours from unloading the pipe to installing it in the trench. A concrete pipe cast on site would have taken days. Once the pipes have been pushed together, they're welded on the inside by a bauku fitter. In this case, we do this using a Munch extruder. All in all, this takes half as much time to build as a concrete reservoir channel. This is an advantage which, not least of all, made for substantial savings. System bauku stormwater retention tanks do not require a dry weather groove, are completely watertight and resistant to corrosion, are self-cleaning and thus only create low maintenance costs. They're resistant to abrasion and facilitate extremely short construction times. Our final example, number 4, is of a profilane reservoir channel in Bellingen with a capacity of 316 cubic meters and a nominal pipe diameter of 2,600 millimeters. In addition to the pipes, all of the structures and preforms are, of course, made from PE HD wound pipes. This drainage structure is 3 meters in diameter and 3.4 meters high. This is a pump shaft measuring 2 meters in diameter and 5.1 meters in height. The next time you're planning to build a channel, think of bauku profilane pipes. Take advantage of the many plus points which our material and our product have to offer. We're looking forward to receiving your enquiries. Bauku. We knock plastic into shape.